So these are brand new SUVs that will actually last 200,000 miles. You'll notice my list this year is pretty slim, and there's a good reason why. With vehicles nowadays being more unreliable than ever, it is hard to find SUVs that'll actually last you a long time. So today, I want to show you what SUVs will last you up to 200,000 miles. So let's start off with the Toyota Grand Highlander. This is an excellent vehicle that has been around for quite a while now. Say 3-row SUV, has great reliability, and you can get a gas, hybrid, or hybrid max powertrain. Now the one we're talking about is of course just the gas powertrain, and you can tow up to 5,000 pounds and seat up to 8 passengers. This is a great looking 3-row SUV with legendary reliability built inside that gas motor. You can see we have some different drive controls. We have a modern interior. So this is a really nice vehicle that will also stand the test of time when it comes to style and appearance. The interior has a lot of great features such as leather trimmed seats, power seats, all that great stuff, panoramic glass roof, awesome features, including Toyota's safety suite. But this vehicle will absolutely last you 200,000 miles if you take care of that gas powertrain. Now, if you take a look at the gas powertrain, this is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine front-wheel drive. You can also get a hybrid 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor or a 2.4 liter hybrid engine. Now, the problem with the hybrids is the battery will not last as long as a motor. So keep that in mind. You might have to go with the XLE if you want this vehicle. Next up, we have the Toyota RAV4. This is a legendary vehicle, guys. These are known for lasting a long time, and now they have a lot of modern features with this new redesign. It looks absolutely fantastic, guys. But you can get up to 47 miles per gallon city, 40 highway, and you can tow up to 3,500 pounds with a little RAV4, which is awesome. But the exterior is a little questionable to some people. I don't know how it'll last the test of time. This kind of isn't giving me like a timeless front end design, if I would say. Kind of looks like a Lexus, but the interior is very nice on this vehicle. This is one of the best interiors of 2026, which will definitely last the test of time. Again, you can also get a hybrid system inside this vehicle. There's lots of technology that you can get as well, but this motor will absolutely last you 200,000 miles or more, even with the hybrid. So with the hybrid powertrain, let's take a look. So you can get the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, all-wheel drive, 2.5, 2.5, 4-cylinder. So they all come with the same motor, and they all have hybrid materials to them. The good thing is they don't have a separate battery pack, so that's going to help with reliability in the long run. But great miles per gallon out of this vehicle. 43 highway, 37 city, looks like 41 miles per gallon combined. Great SUV if you want to hold on to one for a long time. And next up, we have his counterpart, the Lexus RX. So you can get a Lexus RX gas, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or the F Sport. And the one we're talking about today is, of course, the gas model. So pretty good 0 to 60 times for an SUV. You have 275 horsepower, and you're going to get 25 miles per gallon and 24 with the all-wheel drive. So you'll notice between this and the RAV4, we have less miles per gallon, and that's because this does not have a hybrid system, which is awesome for reliability. But it starts off at $51,000, so this is definitely not the cheapest SUV you can get, but this vehicle will absolutely last you a long time as long as you take care of it. The Lexus RX is known for being super reliable and having a nice, sleek, modern interior. This can seat up to 5 passengers. And just look at this vehicle, guys. This is a timeless appearance on the Lexus RX. But great choice for 2026. Let's go to the next one. Over to Honda, we have the 2026 Honda CR-V. So this starts off at $30,290. You're going to get 28 miles per gallon city, 33 highway, and you can also get a hybrid powertrain on this one as well. So with the hybrid powertrain, you're going to have 204 horsepower and up to 40 miles per gallon city and 34 highway. But this is a beautiful vehicle. The CR-V definitely has a timeless design to it. This can seat up to 5 passengers. This is actually a competitor to the RAV4, which we took a look at. But for performance, you can get a 1.5 turbo engine, or you can get the hybrid, it looks like. You have sport mode, power meter, all that good stuff. But on the interior, This thing is absolutely gorgeous. You can get leather, you can get bows, you have tons of different accessories that you can get, and you have Honda sensing standards, so standard safety features for 2026. And there's a lot of different trims that you can get. So you have the LX, EX, Sport Hybrid, EXL, Trail Sport Hybrid, Sport L Hybrid, and the Sport Touring Hybrid. So anything that doesn't say hybrid will absolutely last you over 200,000 miles with this turbocharged engine. So they have a 1.5 engine kicking out 190 horsepower, 179 pound-feet of torque, 28 city, 33 highway. Excellent motor that will definitely last you a long time. Now, if you have the hybrid motor, you get some more power, but you're going to have some reliability issues because you can see we have some more stuff going on in the hybrid. But next up, we have the Honda Passport. Honda Passport is an excellent vehicle. It has a ton of room inside of it, and it's really designed for adventure. So the 2026 Passport brings trail-ready capability and rugged style on some of the trims. You can see this is kind of like their off-road hallmark vehicle, but it looks great, guys. This is a great looking vehicle. Definitely a timeless appearance to it. You really can't go wrong with a boxy style, which we have seen in the past. But the great thing about this, we have a naturally aspirated V6 with 285 horsepower. This V6 will last you forever as long as you take care of it, and you have a 10-speed transmission. So the good thing about Honda is they're still doing naturally aspirated motors in some of their lineup, which is really what you want if you're trying to hold on to a vehicle for a long time. But you can see we have a ton of different trims. We have the RTL, RTL Towing, RTL Blackout, Trail Sport Blackout, Trail Sport Elite Blackout. So lots of different trims, but they all have the same motor, which is great. So you can pick any trim and it'll last you over 200,000 miles. Next up, we have the Acura MDX. So this is kind of Honda's counterpart to its Pilot. The great thing about the Acura is it has a naturally aspirated V6. So it's the same motor that is inside of the Passport. You can also get the turbo V6 on the Type S, but I would recommend that one for having fun, not for lasting a long time. But these Acuras drive absolutely fantastic. They look great. I mean, just look at this vehicle, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. Even on the interior, you have a bunch of modern design features, wireless phone charging pad, reliable technology that you would expect in a Honda inside a luxury SUV. So there's a few different trims you can get. You can get the MDX, the Technology, the A-Spec Advance, and the Type S Advance. But the ones that we're talking about is going to have that 3.5 liter V6 with 290 horsepower, guys. So this is a great vehicle to buy if you want to last a long time. And then last up, we have the 2026 Toyota Sequoia. Now, I know this vehicle has the twin turbo V6, but just hear me out on this one. These Sequoias have always lasted forever, guys, because people who use Sequoias usually aren't towing stuff. They're just trying to get their kids around. They want more space inside an SUV. So while this twin turbo V6 is inside a lot of Toyota trucks and they have had problems, you probably won't in a Sequoia as long as you kind of baby it and not tow stuff. You know what I mean? So absolutely timeless design with the Sequoia. It's a big 3-row SUV, kind of like the MDX. And again, it has that twin turbo V6 hybrid. Now you have a lot of power out of this thing. You have 437 horsepower, 583 pound-feet of torque, and you can tow up to 9,500 pounds. So remember, take it easy on this motor, guys, so the twin turbos can have a good time. But the Sequoia is a great choice if you want to last up to 200,000 miles. This is kind of a more questionable choice. It's kind of iffy. I know it'll last, but you guys have to take your risk with this one. But other than that, the rest of the vehicles will last you 200,000 miles. Let me know what you think of my list in the comments down below. And if I missed anything, let me know as well. Have a great day.